Watching Hawaii News Now Sunrise.
Well, the school Pūnana Leo has implemented some strict protocols to make sure the kids are safe as they come back to the classroom. Lacey Denise is live in Mānoa more to take a closer look. And Lacey, did you bring your backpack and your lunchbox?
I brought my backpack, my hand sanitizer, a couple face masks just in case, Grace. We are prepped and ready to go. And right now I really want to focus on the many different safety protocol in place here at Pūnana Leo o Mānoa. And it really starts as soon as parents come right through the front gate. We're outside of the drop-off location. So what happens is makua come in, they'll bring their students. As soon as they do that, temperature checks are taken. And you can actually see in line while they're waiting for their temperature checks, they're all socially distanced. Once they pass, then they're able to go in. The makua actually stays outside. Before pandemic, they're allowed to go in, but to maintain that social distancing, the makua stays outside. So to talk about this new COVID protocol and the safety practices, we have one of the parents here, Ms. Tati Shankly. Thank you so much for joining us. Can you tell us about how it's been, your daughter Vaianuhea here? It's tough for adults to wrap their mind around what's going on with the pandemic, but even more tough for children. How has this whole time period been for you and your ohana?
You know, surprisingly, it's been really maikai for us. This is like her daily routine now. So she comes to school, we bring her in. If there's other makua standing in line to have their keiki checked in, we'll wait in our car. And then when it's all clear, we'll come out. Even though we can only wave to makua from afar, you know, it's we find other ways to aloha, but it's been really maikai for her because she's learning that she has to take her temperature, wear her palewaha, sanitize her hands, always malama herself so that she malamas others as well. So we find that she's taking that to other places we visit as well, like going to stores, going to other people's houses. So she's taking this daily routine and she's applying it to other places. Yeah, everyday life, everywhere we go. So we're really proud of her for that, and we're really thankful for that.
Yeah. Well, Tati, thank you so much for joining us here again at Pūnana Leo o Mānoa. Steve, we'll send it back over to you. We still have a lot more coming here in Mānoa in just a few minutes, but for now, we'll send it back to you in studio.
Yeah, you've done a great job. All right, thanks, Lacey. 7:40.